In the films, we told stories, a train, a lady, a falling stone. Now, the machinery underneath, slowly, properly. Position, displacement, velocity, 3 precise words. By tonight's end, you will read them like a native. Watch closely. We begin with almost nothing, a straight line, the axis, one chosen point, the origin, and one small object, which physicists call a particle. Position is one sign number, x 3 meters right, plus 3, 2 meters left, minus 2. The sign is the direction, a vector in one dimension. Now the notation, the whole subject in 4 symbols. Position is a function of time. X of t handed an instant. It hands back a place. Every chase, every fall, every journey. Each is just some function. X of t. Kinematics is the study of that function. Nothing more. 2 ways to measure a trip. Start at the origin. Walk 5 meters out. Pause. Come 3 meters back. Keep every step in mind. First, where did it end up? Final minus initial. Delta x equals x2 minus x1. Here, plus 2 minus 0. Plus 2 meters, the displacement. Second, how much ground was covered? 5 out, 3 back, 8 meters, the distance. Note the law, distance is never smaller than the size of delta x. Equal only when the motion never turns around. One direction. The path is the arrow, reverse once, and they part for good. Now, the central object of the subject, not the particle. The graph. Time runs right, position runs up, the motion draws itself as a curve. Read it with me. At the start, the curve climbs steeply, position changing fast, the particle is sprinting. Then the curve runs flat, time passes, position does not change. A flat graph is a particle standing still. Then the curve comes back down. The particle is moving backward toward home. Steep, fast, flat, stopped, downhill, backward, the entire grammar. Choose 2 instants. T1, T2, 2 points on the curve. Join them with a straight line. The chord. Define average velocity, displacement delta x, over elapsed time delta t. Now look. Delta x is the rise. Delta t is the run, rise over run. The average velocity is the slope of the chord. The sign rides free, chord uphill, positive. Forward, downhill, negative. Backward, how fast? And which way? But the lady's question returns. The chord speaks of a stretch of time. What about a moment? How fast, right? Now at T1. Here is the move. One of the great ideas in human history. Keep the first point planted. Slide the second toward it. Closer. The chord tilts, closer still. It settles onto the one line that just grazes the curve there. The tangent. In symbols, term by term. Velocity at an instant. The limit as delta t goes to 0. Of delta x over delta t, its proper name. The derivative. dx by dt. No philosopher's toy. Your speedometer computes this limit. A tiny delta x over a tiny delta t. 60 times a second. Calculus. On your dashboard. One distinction once. Velocity is a vector. It keeps the direction. Speed is its magnitude. 60 east, 60 west. Same speed. Opposite velocities. Units, meters per second. 1 meter per second is exactly 3.6 kilometers per hour. A brisk walk, about 1.5. A highway car, 25. Sound about 340. And light, 300 million meters per second. Write that one slowly. Nothing ever beats it. Position, assigned function of time, displacement, final minus initial, average velocity, slope of the chord, instantaneous, slope of the tangent, 4 definitions. The whole subject stands on them. Next, how velocity itself changes, acceleration, and the 3 famous equations earned honestly, and whenever you are curious. I am at padho.ai, waiting for you.